Seen in Clifton, Virginia on a fine autumn day full of breezes and falling leaves. What is today? The 18th of November. This prime, I think it's a Model A, maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure. But wow. What a handsome car. Look at all the room in it. Let's get a better look at the dashboard. I left the keys in it. Looks like it's got a tack mounted on the steering column. And what is that? Ampere? I can't tell. Oil pressure gauge, maybe? A few modern things. I like the dashboard. Amperes. Wow. Look at that. Sunroof. That's not original. That can't possibly be original. Very nice.